You have very pretty eyes, Brandi. Oh, thank you, Cynthia. They change color. They're either blue, green, or hazel. Pookie Moss, welcome to the stream. 800 guys! Woohoo! We hit the sub goal. Yay! So, are you guys ready? Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh no! Eat a dog treat. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. This is what I'm gonna eat. My dog is looking at me right now like, ah, treat. This is it. Oh. All animals is like human friendly. I guess to find out if I run to the bathroom. I hear. So I have to give my dog one because otherwise she's gonna get mad if I just take her treat. There you go, it's for you. Here's mine. Yuck. This is Alpha on it. Yay, I'm so excited. It smells gross. Chew it slow! Ew, no way! Alright. So, here it is. Alpo dog treat. About to go in my mouth. 800 subs. I will do it in 2 things. I'll bite it half and then I'll do it again. Tastes like a stale potato chip. But it's very crunchy. Mine.
Yeah, she loves those things.
Chewing slow. Very gross. Mmm. She's so confused. She's like, Dom's like, what the hell are you doing? You aren't supposed to eat those. Hmm? Oh, shut it down. That is gross.
What are you washing it down with?
Like a mixture of a stale potato chip and dog food.
Ew.
Totally. And thank you guys so much for hitting my sub goal. No, I did not like it. 800. It's like stuck in my teeth. It's so gross. Okay, Lexi, spin.
Hold on, I'm thirsty.
I like her list on her list.
Drink 2 shots of lemon juice. So I was thinking, it's probably not suitable to see a 14-year-old drinking out of a shot glass. So in front of you guys, I'm going to fill the shot glass lemon juice. I'm going to dump it into this. Oh, you guys can see. There we go. Garfield cup. And there's
How come two
Odie.
shots or chug of water? I can do that.
Chug water? That's not fun. Hang on, there's a dog here on my shot glass because the dog's over here. Get out of here!
Get out of there. Just get out of the shot. It's my shot.
Okay. Whoa! One shot. Can you hold that glass for me?
Yes.
Don't move it.
Oh, Jesus, Princess, look at it.
2 shots. Now, hang on before you do it. You have to show everybody. Here's her 2. Oh my god.
That's not even
Can't even really see it. But there you go. 2 shots. So, lean in, Lexi. So they can watch you enjoy your 2
Do you
shots.
want to switch spots?
Sure, why not? You know what? No, I will just lean. Lean.
I'm scared. Do we have to chug it?
Yeah. It's going to be best if you do. Trust me, you're not going to want to slowly drink that.
Oh, I don't even like lemon juice. I don't even like lemons. I hate this. Oh, Jesus.
You're the one that wanted to spin.
I give up reader with this.
Drink it.
I'm scared.
They're waiting.
Guys, count me off.
3, 2, 1.
No, let's
Go! Do it!
Stop lying.
Oh my god, looks like pee. Maybe it is. No, I'm just kidding. Drink it! Just go like that's it.
I don't like this. Okay, I'm just gonna go for 1, 2, 3.
You have to finish all of it. Do not puke. You're not gonna puke. She ran away. She's acting like she's gonna puke.